Searching and writing down each chapter in your YouTube video can be annoying, but on the other side it needs to be done. The good thing is there is the TubeBuddy plugin, which offers you awesome functionality to create the chapters way more easier. I'm in the YouTube studio on one of my videos and I have the TubeBuddy plugin installed. You will find a link to the plugin in my description. Now I have here the point Add Chapters. When I click on it, a new window opens and here you see my video starts automatically playing. Let's pause it. On the right I have a checklist where I see what must my chapters include. I need to have a minimum of 3 chapters, all chapters must be at least 10 seconds and all chapters must have titles. The first one with the timestamp of 0 is already created, Introduction. I think we can keep this text. When I now watch the video, you see it automatically playing, the playhead is moving also here, and at the moment it's grayed out. And as soon as the 10-second mark is reached, it automatically is available. But let's watch and set I watch till here. I'm here now, and when I now click on the plus, a new entry appears with this timestamp, hours, minutes and seconds. And here I can say, showing the problem. That's how I want to name my chapter. I click again on play, it continues, and let's imagine I play till here. And here I say I want to have the new chapter. Here I can also write, keep this in mind. I play again, and for example, here, let's say I'm at the end and I come to my verdict. And now let's imagine I clicked a little bit late on the plus. Here on the timestamp, I can click on the seconds and, for example, change the 38 to a 33. When I click on it, you see it jumps directly back. Here it's adjusted. And now I have these 4 points. I can also still edit them. I could delete them. I can do everything with them. At the end, I have now the option copying it to the clipboard or directly adding to the video. I add to the video. They are added. And here I have them. And now I can just click save. And they are now available. And you see, it's really easy with this. One important thing to keep in mind. For the TubeBuddy plugin, you need the Pro version, which means it's on a paid plan. But let's look on the pricing page. I'm on the TubeBuddy pricing page, and let's imagine I pay it for 1 year in advance. I would pay for the Pro version, the smallest one, which is enough, $4.80 per month. One trick I can already show you. If you have less than 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel, you can use the Rising Star Buddy coupon on the checkout page to get a discount of 50%. And even if it sounds now a lot, $4.80 or $2.40 a month, when you scroll down, you have here a comparison list. What you get in the free version, which is already a lot, but what you get in addition in the Pro version. One thing I really like is you have canned responses. That means you can save templates for answers, for comments. For example, if people asking often the same and you have like, okay, you need to do this step, this step, this step and this step. You can save it as a template and just with 2 clicks add it to your comment in the YouTube studio. Or you have a default, thank you for your feedback, I'm glad that you enjoyed the video. With 2 clicks, it's entered. You don't need to type all the time. And believe me, it takes a lot of time answering comments. Because you should answer every comment. It's an honest question, feedback from someone. But if you then have 20, 30, 50 comments, it gets a lot of work. So here, for example, the canned responses help a lot. Or there is a tag explorer or a search volume analyzer where you can really see what are recommended tags for my videos. How is the expected search volume for my videos? So try out the plugin, and even in the free version, it provides you already a lot of features. And trying out doesn't cost anything. And if you enjoyed this video, if it helped you, please give it a thumb up. And if you don't want to miss any further video from me, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything.